Hello, Stefan Joubert speaking, and today I'd like to speak to you a little bit about the guitar neck and a little bit about how the guitar neck operates. Now, in my own studio in Mayfair and the city, I do see a lot of guitarists do get lost when it comes to learning all the positions of the guitar. And that is why I've set out to record this video to help you understand just how this beautiful instrument operates so that you can become more fluent in the language of playing the guitar. So without further ado, let's start, and we're going to take a look at position 1. Now position 1 on the guitar is located on strings 1, 4, 6. I call this string group 1, 4, 6. I'm going to choose the key of G for the purposes of this exercises, and specifically take a look at the G minor pentatonic scale as well around the position. So the first position, like we all know, starts on the bass, on the 6th string. So the 6th string is always a mirror to the first. It's always the same, these two strings. That's if you're playing standard tuning, of course. The 4th string comes in play here. Now remember, this is in the key of G. So we have a 3rd fret on string 1, a 5th fret on string 4, and a 3rd fret on string 6. So that's what I call 1, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it creates this sort of triangle shape, if you like. And it's the easiest shape to remember out of the lot. Now what you need to do over time is to memorize your notes on the guitar. Like for example, the 8th fret on the 6th string is a C, and you need to know it's a C. Then you would have a C sharp or a D flat on the 9th. The 1st is an F. Now a lot of advanced guitarists know this already and it's quite intuitive, but when you just start out, it may be a little bit daunting to get to know everything. So take it step by step, and when you start out, maybe just memorize 1 or 2 notes. So you could start with learning all the E's and all the A's on the guitar. Or if you like, just on the 6th string, you can learn that this is an E and this is an E, and that this is an A, and that of course 12th up you've got an A as well. Now for the position 1, 4, 6, getting back to G, which is located on the 3rd string, we have 1, 4, 6. And I'm going to play the pentatonic scale, the minor pentatonic scale for you now. So the minor pentatonic scale on string 6, and then it's got 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's a 5-note scale. And then root note on string 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And root note on string 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we like. So it's important that when you play the scale, you know where the root notes are located. Because if you know where the root notes are located, it'll be a lot easier for you to be able to play a lot of stuff around it. So for example, first position, if you want to find a 2nd or a 9th, it's just a whole step above the root. Or we can find that one there as well. So that's the first position. So let's say I'm playing in the key of E. E minor in this case. Here's my pentatonic scale. Root on string 1, 4 and 6. And then if I want to find a 2nd, a whole step above, I can add the 2nd to the pentatonic. Give me a very interesting kind of sound that I could use in kind of jazz music, even in rock blues music. So that's one useful tip that you can take into account. Just add a 2 semitones above the root and you get a 9th or a 2nd. So yes, so the thing you need to memorize is that your first position has got root notes on string 1, string 4 and string 6. I'll just play it in G again, on string 1 on the 3rd fret, on string 4 on the 5th fret, on string 6 on the 3rd fret. 1, 4, 6. That's always the first position. And it could be for any scale, any exercise, any situation, it will be a first position. If I was playing a major scale, of course the scale type would change, but I would have 1, 4, 6, knock it off. If I was playing a natural minor scale, still 1, 4, 6. Excellent, so that's the first position done. And in the next video we'll go to the second position. Please also do join my guitar club, my guitar mastery club. You can just, under the video there is my website. If you go on my website, there should be on my video blog page, there should be a box where you can just put in your email address. And if you join my guitar mastery club, you'll get great lessons like this delivered to your inbox, and you'll discover a bit more about the depth of the instrument, and you can join an exclusive behind the scenes kind of club where you can meet me well on video, and you can always send me an email, and you'll get videos and great stuff from me then. So please do join my guitar mastery club as well. And you can also check out my website, which is www.guitar-lessons-london.com. If you want to study with me in person, I offer lessons in Mayfair, West 1, as well as in the City of London. Okay, so that's the first position. You can also study with me online if you want, via Skype or FaceTime, and I would be delighted to help you learn more about the instrument and take you forward. Now, on the next video, I'm going to talk about position 2. Speak to you soon.